driving this semi-truck downtown New York City. But not only am I driving this truck downtown New York City, I'm hauling fragile cargo. And if you stay to the end of the video, you'll get to see exactly what that cargo is. The very first road in New York City that was paved is called Stone Street. And it was actually paved back in 1658. The very first semi to ever exist was invented in 1898 by Alexander Winton, 100 years before I was born, and 240 years after the first paved road in New York City. The semi-truck that Alexander built was designed to haul cars. And speaking of cargo, I did tell you if you stuck to the end of the video, you would see what I was hauling, so let me show you. The glass that you just saw is actually made from one manufacturer and shipped to smaller manufacturers where you might see it in your day-to-day life. It could be the windows in your house, it could be the lens in my camera, or the very screen you're watching this YouTube video on. A screen in which you might find a like button somewhere, and I would love it if you smashed it for the YouTube algorithm. If you have a CDL and you want to drive a semi-truck through New York City, you actually have to have a permit to do so. Have you ever been to a truck stop in the dead of summer or the dead of winter where it's either freezing cold or extremely hot and you hear the humming and the purring of a bunch of semi-trucks that are just idling? But if you come to New York City or New Jersey, that's something you're gonna have a hard time finding, is that it's illegal to do that here. You could be fined anywhere from $350 to $2,000 just for trying to sleep comfortably in your semi-truck. And actually it's so frowned upon that they incentivize bystanders to report it by paying them to do so. In fact, according to New York Times, there's bystander, a citizen, who made over $100,000 just going around and reporting trucks who are idle. And as if truck drivers didn't need another reason not to come to New York City, but you came to this video and you watched it all the way through. And if you like videos like this and you want to see more truck driving videos, please comment that in the comment section below. And thank you so much for watching.